This is a breakthrough in science. Look at that shit.
That is crazy.
Yeah, like it feels like it defies logic.
It feels like it's gonna get all of your fingers.
But it doesn't. It's the magic.
Colton gave it to me for my birthday.
That's the best present ever.
It was my idea though.
Oh. I got it from Spencer, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty epic.
That's so cool.
That is just awesome.
What happens if you get it wet?
It probably wouldn't work anymore.
The box says not.
We should
to.
like get a sample.
Probably because it'll explode.
Well, we should.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
we should see what happens.
Yeah, right.
No, seriously, let's see what happens. Let's just take.
Don't take a lot.
I'm not. It's just
It's a lot.
Alright, fine. A little glob of it, and put it inside
Alright,
water.
let's do it.
We need a see-through container.
Yeah, true.
What's this shit?
Oh, okay, I'm stand back here.
It's gonna be disappointing.
It's probably not gonna do anything.
Man,
There's
that
a
was
bubble.
And now
that was eventful.
I'll take
It
it out.
actually
see how
looks
it
kind of
feels.
cool.
Now take it out.
Take it out and see how it feels. See if it feels any different.
That's
Take it
so
out.
weird.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, water ruins it.
It's like cookie dough.
That is interesting. What the heck?
I'm gonna eat it.
Well, that's why you don't put it in water, folks.
This was a very productive day.
What the? What are you doing? Well, that was interesting. This is James' cat. Whiskey.
Oh, stop.
Whiskey is fat.
Did you mean to leave or did you?
No, I didn't mean to leave. I was just like, I'll let you
Over.
leave. Actually, no, I didn't mean to leave. That's right.
Okay.
Remember, I was telling like I'm gonna kill these cops, and whenever I die, I'm just gonna quit. So if I just randomly shut off, that's because I just turn off. I got
Yeah.
And now Colton is here.
Yeah. Oh,
No, I mean like, so you turned your Xbox on?
I turned my Xbox off. I rage.
Did you just fart?
No, I actually
Sam.
thought I did.
Yeah.
It's like I did something up here. You see that fall? No, I'm gonna put it on the Twizzler.